For this exercise, we're going to be bisecting angles. We're going to be using compasses and rulers. You need to understand that the term bisecting means cutting in half, so that we will cut that angle into two equal portions. Now we're going to have two demonstrations here. I've got an acute angle and an obtuse angle, and we're going to use the same process for both angles. What we do is we just take our compasses, we set them a little distance apart between the pencil and the point. We place the point on the vertex of the angle, the point where the two arms of the angle meet, and we draw an arc that crosses both of the arms of the angle. Now I'm going to draw that arc for both of these angles at the same time. Now we can, providing the arc, the distance between the point and the pencil is greater than half of the distance across where those two arcs meet, we can keep it at that distance. What we do is we take the compasses, we put the point where the arc meets the first arm, and we make an arc out where the arms are extended. Then we place the point of the compasses at the second intersection, where the arc and the second arm intersect, and we do another arc, and at the point that they intersect, we need to focus. Okay, that point is what we need to be able to bisect or cut this angle in half. We take our ruler and we draw a line from the point. You've got to be careful how you get this line from the exact point where the vertex of that angle is, the vertex of those arms, and you cut it through that. And as you can see, that looks like we have two angles of approximately equal size. I'll use the protractor to measure these angles. The first one is about 28 degrees. And if we swing it around and measure the second one, hang on, that is also about 28 degrees. So we have cut that angle in two. With the second angle, I've not changed these. I'm not confident that this is exactly halfway, so I'll make this a little bit wider and we'll do exactly the same process. Put the point where the arm and the arc meet and draw an arc, and do the same here. And as you can see, I have only just got this wide enough that those arcs cross each other. You do the same thing. That point of intersection is the thing we need to focus on. We draw a line from the vertex, the point where those two arms meet, through that point of intersection. And again, we have bisected the angle. We'll use the protractor, set it up there. Okay, measuring this way, we have an angle of about 60 degrees, and on the other side, again we have an angle of 60 degrees. So regardless of the type of angle that you are dealing with, if it is a obtuse acute angle, you can bisect the angle by this method.